The training on Extended Reach, which is Ariel's secure web-based database used for all of our foster files, which includes our foster children and foster home files. In this, we'll go over how to activate and create your account, as well as how to upload documents into both the home and children files. First step is to activate your account. You will receive an email from Extended Reach. This is not an email from Ariel, so you may have to look in your spam folder in case it is not showing up in your inbox. If you go to that email, you'll open it and you'll see a couple different links. This last link is a manual for Extended Reach. We're going to go ahead and click on that first link, which will take you to another page where you can type in your name. It'll ask for your zip code and for you to create a password. So I'll go ahead and do that. And I'll ask you to retype that password as well. And after you do that, you can submit and you'll be taken to that login. That login is going to be, again, that email that you used and that password that you just created. So you'll go ahead and sign in. And from there, you'll be taken to the front page. This first page is the communications page. And as you can see, there's different tabs below. This tab is for sale/needed. So this is where all foster homes can post what they are selling or maybe giving away, or if they need something. You can click on email author. If you find that you're interested in something, you can communicate with that person that originally posted. This next tab is the community posts, and this is where you can just post general questions or request support. This first tab here is the private posts, and this is the one that will show communications between you and Ariel staff. Next up, we'll go to the foster home file. This is your file, and it'll show you, your family picture, general information, including your address, phone number, email. You can see there's a checklist in the middle here that shows you all the documents in your file. You'll see that if it is red, some sort of attention is required. Maybe it's not been completed or that it has expired. I'll go ahead and show you how to upload this homeowner's insurance. I'll click on that red expired date. It'll take you to a little box. You can put comments if you need, but then it'll open up choose file. It'll open up your files on your computer. And I will go ahead and click the homeowner's insurance and attach that. You'll see that it's attached and you will hit submit. When it is submitted, you'll receive a message. Your upload was successfully submitted. This means that it was put in and notified your case manager. And from there, they can approve it or send it back. As you can see, there's a note on this auto insurance. It says rejected. That means that I put it in and there was an issue with it. So my case manager rejected it and sent it back to me. I can go ahead and go back to communications and see and look at the auto insurance. It says it looks like you sent me the old one on accident. So I can either, update that here, go back to the file and click on that auto insurance. Another note is if you ever click on something and you need a different document, you can look and see from this drop-down menu if there's a different document you need to hit. But we did want to upload that auto insurance. And from there, I can show you, you can also drag and drop files from your desktop and just put it here on the next to the file. It'll show that it is uploaded and you can hit submit. Again, it'll give you a message saying it was uploaded successfully, and that'll send a notification to your case manager. I also wanted to show you real fast that you can upload files on your phone as well. That's just logging into the website, clicking on the file you want, hitting choose file. You can use your photo library or files in your phone. Click on the photo you want and hit submit. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see that there are some shared files. One important one is this license certificate. So this is available for you to pull up. This is your license certificate, and it has, your name, your address, your provider ID, and the dates that you are certified. It also has the numbers of violations and child abuse and neglect hotline on there. So next we'll go over to the Children's tab. That's the one in the center. And it'll pull up all your current placements. If you have multiple, it will show you the different placements. I only have one right now, so I'll go ahead and click on this little sample example. It'll give you the general information on that child. As you can see, the case number, age, it'll give you some information on, your rate and things like that. Also some medication, and any shared files will be downloaded here. You can tell that it's a little different from the home file. It is not just a checklist of all documents that are listed in the file, but you can upload many documents. So you can go to the right here and it shows you upload documentation. And again, it'll give you this drop-down list, and you can upload many different things. Right now, I need to upload an incident report. So I'll go ahead and choose that file. Again, I'll just attach. I can put a little comment, hitting head, just so that it kind of alerts case manager, and I can click submit. Again, you'll get that message that it was uploaded successfully, and it'll go to your case manager. One important document that we're going to look at is this progress report. This is under the online forms, and you can see that on the progress report, when you pull it up, it does pull up a different report. It doesn't just let you attach something. It actually pulls up a report for you to fill out. We are going to have all foster homes fill this out monthly for each placement they have. This is going to give you a chance to tell your case manager what's going on in the home and what's going on with each individual child. So we went ahead and filled out this progress report. And if you can scroll to the bottom, you'll see a signature place. If you're working on a computer, you can use your mouse to sign the document. If you are on a touch device, you can use your finger and you can send that. You can, if you're not happy, you can clear your signature or you can submit. And this will send notification to your caseworker. They can go ahead and look at that document, have communications back and forth with you if needed. And again, we are doing this for every child monthly. So this was a quick review on extended reach and how we use it at Ariel and how we'd like you guys to start using it. Please let me know if you have any questions. It's fairly easy, but there are always questions, so please don't hesitate to ask. Thanks, guys.